Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Top Bridge Park is a popular spot near Parksville, British Columbia, offering a variety of outdoor activities. The park features a suspension bridge over the Englishman River, providing scenic views of the surrounding area. Visitors can enjoy hiking and biking on the 4-kilometer Top Bridge Regional Trail, which connects Rathtrevor Beach Provincial Park to the Top Bridge crossing. The trail offers a rustic experience, taking you from the seaside to the cool woodlands along the river. The park is also a favorite local swimming spot, with clear river pools perfect for cooling off on a warm day. For those interested in exploring further, the area offers opportunities for picnicking and observing unique rock formations along the riverbank. Whether you're looking for adventure or a place to relax, Top Bridge Park provides a natural setting for all to enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!